Hi, this is from Source University. There's a job opening for the technology Azure Databricks engineer for the location Pan India. The experience need is 5+ years. Salary rate will be 29 lakh per annum. The skills must be Data Factory, SQL, GW, Cosmo, and DW, Power BI, and Power BI apps. And the second technology is IoT Solution Architect. And there are 4 positions for this role, and the location is Coimbatore. The experience need is 10 to 15 years. The mode of work is from office. The email ID will be given in the video description, so you can apply from there. And the third technology is Salesforce Developer. The experience there is 2 to 5 years. The skills must be Salesforce Tableau, CRM, Sales Card, and Service Cloud. The email ID will be given in the video description, so that you can send your resumes to them or contact them. And the fourth technology is Oracle Apps or HRMS technical analysis for the location Pan India. The experience needed is 6+ years. The mode of work is work from office. The contact number and the email ID will be given in the video description, so you can apply from there. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.